Hey guys, it's Scraps here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use OBS Studio using the display capture mode as seen right here. It looks really weird right now because it captures the entire screen and stuff, so yeah. So anyway, when you start, you want to click on the stuff you want to focus on. Like for example, this Chrome Roblox homepage, and it'll stop focusing on the OBS too. And if you open it back up, it'll, like that. And okay, so to do it without it starting up here like this, you want to go open settings. And then you put it on, and then you go to hotkeys, and you see start recording and stop recording. You can set both of these. I usually set it to something that I never use, like Y or this. You can set it to anything on your keyboard, like K. I never use K, so I would do K. 0, 9, stuff like that. I, O, P, yeah. So yeah, and then you click apply and OK. And then you press the hotkey that you want to press when you start. Okay, so once you get that hotkey set up, you go to the screen you want to record and you press the hotkey. And it'll start the recording immediately. Yep, so that's it for the tutorial. Have fun. I hope you enjoyed that. Enjoy. Thanks, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe and comment if you liked it or didn't like it. I will take negative feedback as well as positive feedback. And I'm trying a new recording space. Tell me if you like it. So, you're cool. Anyway, so yeah, oh my god, I'm gonna cut this out. Okay, yeah, so yeah. I'm going to be doing more tutorial videos like this in the future. So yeah, don't worry. Yep. Bye.